What you making, Ron?
Making French fries. Fish. Fish. Double cook. You gotta cook them twice.
Pour these into the only way they're good.
That's sound advice.
Blanching them. Blanching. Gotta blanch.
Are they hot?
I don't know. Probably not. Go ahead, try. No, actually, I got used to it. Pushing it like that, and dip my finger in there all the time. At first it hurt, but then you got used to it.
Why would you do that?
Well, you just did. I don't know. Happened.
Accidentally?
Yeah.
All right, we'll come back when it's done.
Ah!
You won't know where,
A lot
you
of
won't know
expensive
when.
electronics around here. Huh?
What?
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 Hot grease, too. I see someone doesn't want fish.
That's all. That's a nice squirt gun. This is a nice squirt gun.
You're emptying it out. Oh, is that just
My
what it does
pressure
without the
washer is
motor
a
on?
combination of two different pressure washers.
Mine's 3,500 pounds.
Mine's 49, I think, or 3,000.
Not very big.
7 horsepower.
That's the job.
Yeah. The pump of one fell off into a million pieces, so I bought a different one. And then that engine went.
Blow it out.
Yeah. And then it's in the garage, it's not easy.
But you still have to blow it out.
Yeah. I don't know what happened. And then I just took this.
There, you know that's unhooked, right?
If you take the belly pan, oil pan, whatever, out of one engine.
Oh no, I didn't want you to just...
Brian, will you take a little walk and shut that hose off for me?
Sure. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, oh, I thought you said 10 packets.
Are you hooking it back on?
I don't think it'll turn very because the wheels turn. Just back up your truck and use it.
Well, you almost got it. There you go.
The ingenuity of man
Now you do.
is beyond comprehension.
Yeah, really, I mean, you know, I saw a thing, you know, like Discovery or somewhere, they were talking about, like, first year, like, when for electronics, you used to have to do with vacuum tubes.
Yeah.
And then they came up with the microprocessor, and then, you know, first of all, they get it down to this big, and then it's this big, and then it's this big, and, you know, the real shit, man.
Quite wild.
What temperature do
That
you
look
want?
like enough french fries for all of us?
For a quarter, half a serving.
How many did you make?
I don't know. That doesn't look like enough. That's like almost half.
Is there more potatoes?
Yeah.
We could go cut up
You
more
want to cut them
potatoes.
up?
And then you take that.
Well, roll it.
Well, yeah, I didn't forget to figure everything. That's why I was saying.
Yeah.
I forgot to figure everything.
How much did he say?
We got a cutting board.
I don't think.
Larry didn't say nothing?
Ask him. I don't think he did.
He put money for gas. Oh, no, he just filled up his tank. He had to top it off. So, he hasn't got no.
Jim paid for that.
Because he has
We don't have a lot of that, do we?
No.
So don't figure.
Well, I gotta figure him in the 5.
Yeah, you gotta divide everything by 5.
Yeah.
And that's what he owes. If he didn't
you
pay
clean
nothing,
them,
I
Ron?
didn't pay nothing.
Okay, well, you paid 32. So, if you want to spend.
I'll put my $32
Yeah,
in the pot.
okay, you owe 32. So I got $14 coming
He said he used to pay
Yeah, and then you take it out of
Use a
there.
paper plate.
and, Daryl.
Is there another knife over there somewhere?
Here, I'll let you. I'll go get you some water. I don't even know how the hell we do when you slice.
Add that up.
Looks clean.
Add what Jim does. Jim put in $30 more. 30. How much is 30?
Jim's got $37.50.
I owe 32.
So if Larry gives him 32, and you give him $5.50.
I'll put it in the pot. Right.
That's a lot of
No,
$64. Tell him he owes 32.
Right?
Is this the water for the thing?
Yeah, you put them in there.
And Jim gets 37.
Jim gets 37.
He is too thick for my wallet.
I took the line and I ground off the plastic, and then didn't put the pliers and just finished pulling the plastic off, and it's
Yeah, that's all right.
that's what I did with mine. And I kicked her.
Because you can only make a key with that on it.
Yeah, and that's what I carried in my wallet for a long time. I never